Hi guys, my name is Yoginder Singh. I am here in the MD University. You can see there is interface. They welcomes me, and I am here for my submission for RLE. I have to submit my mark sheet photocopy because I admission here in MA English, and sorry if I may speak bad English, so let me forgive because DDA. So you can see there is our department, Center for Distance and Online Education, and I have to go there because if I will not submit my mark sheet photocopy, they, I think they will not declare my result. So that's the problem, and I am first time I came here because in the MDU I came here, or there is a huge university. You can see big and huge campus, and this is the journalism, I think TV studio and radio studio, mass communication journalism department, and I am feeling nervous because I travel from my house. It is near to Narnol, and after spent I think 170 rupee I am here. So I think it is very hard in the morning, and in the morning I came here, the fog, insane fog, so I can't see, and so it's tough for me. So I have my documents here, you can see, and I will submit it, and I will give you some extra information on this. So continue with me. So I go to some students, and they guide me that you go straight, and after turn I think right, and then I will find my department. So it is a tough process, and there are lots of students, girls, boys. So this is our department, Central Center for Distance and Online Education. This. So they tell me that you come here after 9:30 o'clock. So I have to wait for 1 hour, I think. So Rohtak is, so this place is very nice. You can see there is lots of flags, and the cleaners here, and they clean the campus, and it is opening time 8:30 to 9 o'clock, I think. All departments open, and blah blah blah. So in the way I asked a girl that so sometimes I came, sometimes always when I go somewhere for any work or anything, so I found any boy, so I will, if I will ask him, so I said bye, इस टाइप से. And if I ask something to a girl, so I said Anna, where is this department, where is this. So this is the language of me. So one day I go to my IG University, and me and my friend, we are went there for some work. So I said a girl, Anna, where is the department, or I asked her something in that language. So he said, Anna, what is this? So I said, Anna means in south region people used to say brother, Anna. So I always said any girls, boys, Anna. So this is my language. And I think I feel shy when I show some people around me when I'm making. I found this statue, and this statue is Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati. So this university named after him. So he is the personality who has the name this university, and so he is a good personality, and I am huge fan of him. And Swami Dayanand Saraswati, he is a respectful person. He was. I think it's because we learns many things from him. So there are many departments, and I think it is the library. I think this is the huge library. So there is. So I will not say the exact word, but there are so many beautiful girls, and yes, we can see the Vivekanand library. So it is very huge. So I came Rohtak first time. I found it is very beautiful place and beautiful city, and MD University is the matlab good university, best university in Haryana. And I wish I were a student here, and I could study here. But I am the student of this university, but online terms, distance education. So I can take class on online platforms, and we give exam in different places, different colleges. And I think when we will complete our degree, then we will come here for collect our degree. So there are so many statues in different places, and they are very lovely, they are very pretty. This is the Shikshak Vikas Kendra, Faculty Development Center. So yes, so this is only for teachers, and they can come here for cafeteria, food, etc, etc. This is a park type area, and there are lots of chairs. You can sit here, rest here. And this is, I think, I am from local area, and I studied at Nangal Chaudhary Local College. After that I complete my B.Ed from a local college. So I have not seen this type of campus. And sometimes I went IGU University and CUH, Central University of Haryana. It is very quite good, but it's new. So they had no lots of things. So they had some I think it's good, but it's not best. So it is best because there are so many campus, lots of campus. Every department has their different building, and activity center is very best, very good there, when where the student can read newspapers, sit, can discuss, can eat, there is a cafeteria and everything. So this is, I think it's good, and I have to be sit here because I have half an hour for wait. So I will sit here and watch some content. Thank you. So I have some glitch here because they said that you have to pay 680 rupee for submission the documents, and they give me a form, and this form said that application for removal of discrepancy RLE, RLFE, FNF, late submission of hard copy of admission along with required fees. So I have to pay 680 rupee, and then I can submit my documents. It is very hard because I have only 600 and this is too little, and when I came here I have only 800. And so guys, this is our department of English, and I am here for my books because they issued me book, and I will collect the book if they have, because not every department has all books all times. So this is the English department. So I seen this, प्रभु तुम मेरे मन की जानो, मैं अछूत हूँ, मंदिर में जाने का मुझको अधिकार नहीं है, किंतु देवता यह न समझना तुम पर मेरा प्यार नहीं है. सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान जी. एंड आई हैव माई फोन वॉलपेपर फ्रॉम मतलब this photo. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ji is my inspiration, and I am a huge fan of her. And I have my wallpaper Subhadra Kumari Chauhan's photo, and sometimes WhatsApp DP also, because she is my inspiration. I am very huge fan of her, so it is very respectful to see her photo in the department. So I have submitted my all documents, and it's cost me, I think घर पहुँचते पहुँचते 1000 at least. भाई जय बाबा की. So a guy watch me, I am making video, he said जय बाबा की भाई साहब. So this is the Haryana accent and all type, मतलब all boys is a different, मतलब boys is a different race means species in the world, because every boy have a helpful hand to other boys and everyone. So I am done here, and now I am going to my home. And thanks for watching my video, because it's a lot thing for me. I want, oh, in this campus I see just BMW. Wow. And one guy has a defender, in